Credit Saint, features, strengths, weaknesses. Credit Saint is a credit repair company offering services primarily through three-tiered packages: Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Credit Restoration. The Credit Polish package, their entry-level option, focuses on challenging inaccuracies with creditors and credit bureaus, offering 5 challenges per cycle, creditor interventions, and score tracking. The Credit Remodel package steps up the service by increasing the challenge count to 10 per cycle and adds inquiry targeting. Their most comprehensive package, Credit Restoration, includes unlimited challenges, escalation to creditors, and cease and desist letters, providing the most aggressive approach. Credit Saint is particularly well suited for individuals with a moderate to high volume of inaccurate or questionable negative items on their credit reports, making it a good choice for those struggling with charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, or repossessions. A key strength lies in their upfront pricing and transparent process, with no hidden fees, which differentiates them from some competitors. Additionally, they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, reflecting confidence in their services. However, one potential weakness is their pricing. Credit Saint is generally more expensive than some other credit repair services, particularly the Credit Restoration package, which may not be accessible for all budgets. Another area to consider is the limitation in personal customization of their strategies. While they address inaccuracies, their approach is somewhat standardized across their client base. Furthermore, individuals with very limited negative items might find the entry-level Credit Polish package sufficient, making the higher-priced options unnecessary. It's also crucial to acknowledge that credit repair, regardless of the provider, is not a magic bullet. Outcomes depend heavily on the specific details of your credit report and the willingness of creditors and bureaus to respond. Ultimately, Credit Saint offers a robust suite of credit repair services with a focus on challenging inaccuracies. If you're facing a significant amount of questionable negative items and prioritize transparency and a money-back guarantee, Credit Saint is a solid option. However, it's essential to weigh the cost against your budget and the severity of your credit issues to determine if their services align with your needs, and always remember to explore DIY credit repair options and thoroughly research any credit repair service before committing.